Top 10 Bitcoins that you should invest in. Bitcoin has been around for a while now, and it has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. If you're thinking of investing in Bitcoin, here are the top 10 coins that you should consider. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most popular and well-known cryptocurrency. It was the first decentralized digital currency, and it has remained the largest and most valuable cryptocurrency since its launch in 2009. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold, and its price has fluctuated greatly over the years, from a few cents per coin in early 2010 to over $19,000 per coin in late 2017. Despite its volatility, Bitcoin has continued to grow in popularity and usage, with millions of people around the world using it to buy and sell goods and services, or simply to store value. If you're thinking about investing in Bitcoin, there are a few things you should know. First, Bitcoin is a highly volatile asset, and its price can swing wildly up and down over short periods of time. You should only invest what you're prepared to lose, and be sure to diversify your investments into other assets as well. Second, while there are many reputable exchanges where you can buy and sell Bitcoin, there have also been many scams targeting investors. Be sure to do your research before investing any money into Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts, applications that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of fraud or third-party interference. Ethereum is so important because it enables developers to create markets, store registries of debts or promises, move funds in accordance with instructions given long in the past, and many other things that have not been invented yet, all without a middleman or counterparty risk. The applications on Ethereum are running on its platform-specific cryptographic token, Ether. Ether is like a vehicle for moving around on the Ethereum platform and is sought by mostly developers looking to develop and run applications inside Ethereum. According to Ethereum, it can be used to codify, decentralize, secure, and trade just about anything. One of the big advantages of Ethereum over Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies is that it supports programming languages like Solidity, which make it easier for developers to write smart contracts. This means that there's no need for a third party to moderate or facilitate transactions. Instead, they're automatically processed by the network. That also means transaction fees are much lower than with traditional banking or financial institutions. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin's Cash is a Bitcoin fork that was created in August 2017. It was created as a way to improve upon the original Bitcoin blockchain by increasing the block size limit to 8 megabytes. This gives Bitcoin Cash transactions faster confirmation times and lower fees. While Bitcoin Cash is very similar to Bitcoin, there are some key differences between the two cryptocurrencies. For one, Bitcoin Cash has a much larger block size limit than Bitcoin does. This means that more transactions can be processed per block, and thus confirmation times are quicker. Fees are also generally lower on Bitcoin Cash, as the larger block size allows for more transactions to be processed without the need for expensive miners' fees. Another difference between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash is that the latter uses a different proof-of-work algorithm. This allows mining to be done with less specialized hardware, which further reduces costs. Bitcoin Cash has been successful in attracting users and businesses that are frustrated with the slow speed and high fees of the Bitcoin network. It has become one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap and continues to be one of the most popular choices for cryptocurrency investors. Litecoin. Litecoin is an open-source, global payment network that is fully decentralized without any central authorities. Mathematics secures the network and empowers individuals to control their own finances. Litecoin features faster transaction confirmation times and improved storage efficiency than the leading math-based currency. With substantial industry support, trade volume, and liquidity, Litecoin is a proven medium of commerce complementary to Bitcoin. However, there are some key differences between the two coins. For one, Litecoin has a faster block time, meaning transactions are confirmed faster on the Litecoin network. Additionally, Litecoin uses a different mining algorithm than Bitcoin, called Script. This allows for cheaper and more accessible mining hardware, making it a good choice for those looking to get into cryptocurrency mining. Finally, Litecoin has a higher total supply than Bitcoin, with 84 million coins compared to 21 million. Since its launch, Litecoin has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies available and is often used as a payment method on major exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance. If you're looking for an altcoin with real potential that's still affordable, Litecoin is definitely worth considering. Ripple. Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency out there. In fact, there are many other options that are quite popular among investors. One such option is Ripple, which is a digital payment network that focuses on speed and efficiency. For these reasons, Ripple is one of the top Bitcoins that you should invest in. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, has seen a surge in interest over the past year. Here are some of the top Bitcoin investments that you should consider. Bitcoin Investment Trust is one of the easiest ways to invest in Bitcoin. The trust holds Bitcoin and sells shares to investors. Fidelity Investments recently announced that it would start allowing its customers to view their cryptocurrency holdings alongside other assets such as stocks and mutual funds. This move by Fidelity could make it easier for mainstream investors to get exposure to Bitcoin. The CME Group, one of the world's largest derivatives exchanges, offers Bitcoin futures contracts. Futures contracts allow investors to bet on the direction of a market without having to actually own the underlying asset. Grayscale Investments Bitcoin Investment Trust is another option for investors who want exposure to Bitcoin without having to actually own any coins. Grayscale's trust holds actual Bitcoins and sells shares to investors. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is an open-source, public, blockchain-based distributed computing platform featuring smart contract functionality. It provides a decentralized Turing-complete virtual machine, the Ethereum Virtual Machine, which can execute scripts using an international network of public nodes. Ethereum Classic also provides a value token called Classic Ether, which can be transferred between participants and is used to compensate participant nodes for computations performed. The Classic Ether token is traded on cryptocurrency exchanges under the ticker symbol etc. Ethereum Classic is pseudonymous, meaning that funds are not tied to real-world entities but rather Bitcoin addresses. Owners of Bitcoin addresses are not explicitly identified, but all transactions on the blockchain are public. Additionally, Ethereum Classic offers a modified version of Nakamoto consensus via transaction-based state transitions. This resulted in two competing versions of Ethereum, ETH and Ethereum Classic. While both projects remain active and have their supporters, only ETH has kept the original Ethereum name and brand. Monero. When it comes to Bitcoin, there are a lot of options out there. However, if you're looking for an anonymous option with a focus on privacy, then Monero is the cryptocurrency for you. Monero uses ring signatures and confidential transactions to obscure the identity of senders and receivers, as well as the amount being sent. This makes it incredibly difficult to trace transactions on the Monero blockchain. In addition, Monero has a robust privacy-focused community that is constantly working on improving the protocol. Zcash. Zcash is a digital asset with immense potential. It offers complete anonymity for users and their transactions. Zcash also has the ability to hide the sender, receiver, and value of all transactions made using the currency. This makes it a very attractive option for those looking for privacy-centric coins. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2013. It is based on the Litecoin protocol and has a faster transaction time. Dogecoin has a Shiba Inu dog as its logo and has become popular due to its meme-like nature.